A happy Friday morning to you. Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin Cities Subaru, and 802 Honda, all located off of Exit 7 on Interstate 89. Kind of a wide view here. We're looking at the potential for a tropical storm to develop. This would be named Tropical Storm Alberto off of the coast of Belize. It's spinning up off the Yucatan Peninsula, taking a track that'll take it between, west of Cuba and then into the Gulf of Mexico. And it does intensify and takes it kind of into the Mobile, Alabama region, Mobile Bay, and then kind of hooks to the right as a depression. And this is going to spread in a lot of rainfall, not to affect us, or no threats here for the eastern seaboard, that's for sure. This is a ridge of higher pressure. We have most of our weather is going to be coming at us north of the Great Lakes, sort of the northern periphery of the Ring of Fire from an area of higher pressure located here. You can see that ridge in the upper levels at 18,000 feet or so at the 500 hectopascal level. You can see showers that have formed here, and let's take a look at dew point temperatures. Kind of illustrates the point. We're basically in the 50s, but we start to see some 60s and a lot more moisture coming over the top of this ridge and coming at us from the northwest. Hence, this is what we're looking at right here. We're going to be seeing the shower and thunderstorm activity that's going to be affecting us, but kind of getting whittled back as it moves in from the St. Lawrence River Valley, the Ottawa Valley, and gets into our neck of the woods. It looks like late today or tonight, and it looks like just persistent rain shower activity. That kind of falls apart, kind of shifts a little bit to the south, and that'll set the stage for some isolated to widely scattered shower and thunderstorm activity that's going to be affecting us during Saturday afternoon, roughly about central Vermont and points south to the Massachusetts line. The overall effect here is that we're not seeing very widespread shower and thunderstorm activity for Saturday. That's good news. The other thing is looks like they'll be relatively benign, as wind fields aloft will be generally under 30 knots. A little stronger as you head down towards southern Vermont, but the threat will start around mid-afternoon here and then gradually work its way south toward the early evening and then exit out of the region. The good news is that we'll see a backdoor cold front develop on Sunday that erases all issues in terms of thunderstorm activity. It looks like we'll see a return, but not until fairly late in the day, or more like Monday evening, Monday night, for the next round of showers and thunderstorms for any kind of concerns for utilities. So net effect is we're kind of dodging bullets. And looking at the HRRR experimental, this is our little bit of shower and storm activity trying to make a run at us here. And then roughly about 3 o'clock or so, we'll see some of that kind of cross into portions of western Vermont. And then you see to the north here, this is where the main action, Ottawa Valley, St. Lawrence Valley, and points north and west. That's where the activity is really going to be at its strongest, with just rain showers moving across northern Vermont. Up in the north of the Canadian border, we could see some thunderstorm activity around Montreal and almost to Quebec City. Most of that activity dies out overnight, kind of lingers across the northern tier, and then about 7 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, you can see just a few lingering showers kind of work their way through, and then it's this area that will probably see a chance for showers and thunderstorms, roughly south of the Barrie-Montpelier area down to the Massachusetts line on Saturday afternoon. We're going to focus on dew point temperatures here, and this is 2 o'clock this afternoon. You can see those slightly higher dew point temperatures starting to work in from the west. Well, watch what happens. You see that frontal boundary to the north separating much drier air. This is valid Saturday evening. It starts to spread south, and what ends up happening is we see this backdoor cold front erase any kind of threat for showers and thunderstorms. That's overnight Saturday night. This is into Sunday. So this backdoor cold front here with a marine layer of much more stable air, lowering those dew point temperatures and keeping any kind of shower and storm activity off to the west of us. Now, by the time we get into Monday afternoon, things begin to moisten up once again, and we are looking at a fairly good pulse of shower and thunderstorm activity working its way back across the region during Monday evening. So overall, Memorial Day, dodging a lot of bullets. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.